Sun Vinlam, a team there, see Palm plantation of all the Atini. I just soon to Mang Chai around by Tengle, made a repunang Boltavin. I lay Chidi Machun, the Pia Boltavi, Agu Agalachun, in paper in a bond again a Boltavin. Jubilant Oil Private Limited, na Oil and Gas Private Limited, Netherlands Company in 2003 negotiation paper in a Boltavin. Ana kay tawin, MOU na kay tawin. Ay akitu bidding achun miners of Tampi Navin, limestone cement akiboldo na, lignite tia akiboldo, chromite steel akiboldo, uranium to screen akiboldo also see. Tiang le gas in Navin. Chichung achun Manipur State Government chun gas achun 10% royalty akine adiwahi in. Tiang le petroleum machu 15% akisan dimai adi lo khana chu eho MLR bypass bolvin tiang le article 371 season azul palovin ibizam tile tribe gama hills achu consent house te ko mala lo wachun ima bolte boy hill area committee concern bol povin ADC chairman concern bol povin even House Hall song consider alapuvin. Aile agachivin, agazolovin, false promises this is only nalachun. Chichi hide mudina hibina putia kate tevin. Ata omlovachun, suya na kaibin, amu among so kai bombin, to paper to submit a ball tavin. Chia chutuna ibola, Pachu, MOU, a ministry, Minister of Harding Sipuria hinna, the petroleum minister here. A thing there. Environment and Forest Minister Paco Mazo, Tiani Poma memorandum isumwa, a MOU, Manipur State Government to accompany MOU also, Sisu Cancel, revocable ole, Ikichai Due. Chihosum so Sisu India's US dollar and Patimule, trillions of dollars, Monday his yachin, assume to Tambal Bali yachina. Ibilal Town, a horn, George Villa Dolin, George Command Levin. Economy ay ho chama ho sanga ale tam sa sang so ding house so di hi ji wa chu betang mo ka ni le them cha ka ibol jong le in ki cho loi gari ki cho loi na to ki cho loi jong le a bit le lu me he on na che ho loi ki ho sanga house so di ka chu nga hung leng khadi he ti chun kilip na chun pu ki te hi poppy cultivator illegal immigrant adu ata asewi adi ta pa chu ki se le biren hi chu kingpin chu na Amahi, we don't let out, Amahi.